Hello, this is Revelian Rutaisi. I'm going to show you how we can schedule a meeting using the Microsoft Teams and how we can use the features that Microsoft Teams has. And let me pass by this uh, new topic where I can have the Moodle editor like this, and you can see that we have an icon for Teams meeting, and we can create a meeting link here. So let me create this meeting link. First, we have to add a title. Suppose this is a physics class, which is scheduled on 1st next Monday, on 1st June 2020. And suppose that I will start at 8 a.m. and I will finish at noon, 12 p.m. and I have to create a link. So it will be like this one. Suppose that I want to open that to open in a new window. I will click here and I will add the link. I will create the meeting here like this. And at the you can see that the meeting of physics was created successfully. We can go to meetings and we have some meeting options. We have some meeting options for this one. Uh, Here we have to determine who can bypass the lobby, and it's good to set the people in my organization. Always let the callers bypass this one. You let it as it is here. You announce when the callers join or leave, yes, and who can present everyone here. It means that here, if you want you only to present, it will be like this one, and we have to save like this. So if I go back, to Microsoft Teams, let me uh, uh, let me open Microsoft Teams here. Let me open Microsoft Teams here, and suppose I have this one. Let me no. Let me do that. So for the team, once you have created the team, for example, once you have created the team, you can join. You can join the you can join this escape. You can join the class that you have created, for example, that one, by clicking on this camera, this one. You meet now. You can add a title for that. You can hide your camera here. You turn on off your camera. You can turn on. You can mute your microphone. You can unmute. You can share what we have on the screen like that. And also you can check. You can check the number or the participant here. You can enable the meeting chat like this, and here in the ellipsis you can end the meeting, you can start recording, you have the keypad like this, and also if you want to raise your hand you will click here, but here you can also enter the full screen like this, and also you can exit from the full screen and so on. And this one is to hang up and you terminate your meeting. Thank you very much and see you next time.